Hi, Sue. Thanks for coming by the library. As discussed or as promised, here's the video that explains what we did. So the first thing that we did was we went to the subject guides for science because you were looking for hedgerows and bees. So the subject guides list the databases that are useful for that discipline. So we clicked on science, and that was a biology topic. So we clicked biology, and then we looked at the databases, and we selected Science Direct. That was the one we used. And then you logged in. And remember, this is a database of books, articles, and other resources. So we went immediately to the advanced search. So we clicked here, and then we put in the terms that you were looking for. Hedgerows and honeybees. And then we pressed enter. We found lots of good stuff. So we went over here and we just selected the review articles, which would give kind of a summary of information from other primary sources. And that was what you decided would help get you started. So I hope that helps. And don't forget to call us back if you have any questions. Thanks.